2018, a quiet year on the surface, but beneath it all, something extraordinary was taking place. An international team of scientists, under the umbrella of the Human Consciousness Project, were working on a project so groundbreaking, so controversial, that they had to operate in secret. Their goal? To reverse engineer consciousness itself. The Human Consciousness Project, or HCP, was established in 2010 as a collaboration between some of the world's leading neuroscientists and cognitive psychologists. Funded by a mysterious benefactor who wished to remain anonymous, the HCP was dedicated to understanding the nature of consciousness, a topic that had long puzzled philosophers and scientists alike. But in 2018, things took an unexpected turn. The team made a shocking discovery. They believed they had found a way to artificially recreate conscious experiences in a lab setting. This revelation was so startling, so unprecedented, that they knew they had to keep it under wraps. At the heart of this experiment was a device known as the cortical reassembler. Developed by a team led by Dr. Reassembler, Susan Greenfield, a renowned neuroscientist and director of the Royal Institution in London, the cortical reassembler was designed to simulate the neural activity of a human brain. The machine worked by using high-powered lasers to stimulate specific patterns of neurons in a petri dish, effectively recreating the same kind of electrical activity that occurs in a living brain. By carefully calibrating these patterns, Dr. Kahneman Fex, Greenfield and her team were able to create artificial versions of some of the most basic conscious experiences, such as seeing flashes of light or hearing simple sounds. But while these experiments were undeniably fascinating, they also raised a host of ethical concerns. If it was possible to recreate conscious experiences in a lab, what did that mean for the nature of consciousness itself? Was it simply a product of specific patterns of neural activity? Or was there something more to it than that? These questions only grew more urgent as the HCP's work progressed. By 2020, they had made even more startling discoveries, including evidence that artificial conscious experiences could be transferred from one lab setup to another, effectively creating a kind of consciousness cloud that existed independently of any physical brain. As the implications of this research became clearer, the HCP knew they had to tread carefully. They were entering uncharted territory, a realm where science and philosophy blurred together, and where the very nature of reality seemed to be up for grabs. Yet despite the risks, the team pressed on. They knew that their work could revolutionize our understanding of consciousness, and potentially lead to breakthroughs in fields as diverse as artificial intelligence, mental health, and even the nature of death itself. And so, they continued their groundbreaking research in secret, driven by a sense of wonder and curiosity that is at the heart of all scientific discovery. For while the mysteries of consciousness may be deep and complex, there is one thing we know for certain: the truth is out there, waiting to be uncovered. 2013, a quiet year in the world of science. But behind closed doors, in a secluded research facility, something extraordinary was taking place. The mastermind behind this clandestine project was none other than reclusive tech billionaire Elon Musk. Known for his ventures in electric vehicles and space travel, Musk had assembled a team of neuroscientists, handpicked from the world's top institutions. Their mission? To explore the depths of human consciousness and develop groundbreaking technology to augment our cognitive abilities. This collaboration was so secretive that it remained hidden from public scrutiny for years. Even the researchers involved were bound by strict non-disclosure agreements, adding another layer of mystery to their work. But why would a figure as prominent as Musk go to such lengths to keep this project under wraps? One possible explanation lies with the involvement of a secretive government agency, the Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency. With its history deeply rooted in military research, DARPA's interest in such a project raises questions about potential defense applications. The team